copy trade consistently with Polymarket, then speed is the most important factor when choosing what bot to use. Now, thankfully, most copy trading bots have gotten really good lately, but it's still important to know which is the best one. So today we are comparing the 3 most popular copy trading bots on the market, seeing which one is the fastest and which one is most consistent at getting good transactions through. So right here on the Builders Polymarket page, we are putting to the test Polycop, which is the most popular copy trading bot, as well as Kreo, which has gotten a lot more popular lately, and PolyGun, which is another very popular copy trading option. So the way this is going to work is that I have set up copy trading tasks on all 3 bots to copy my own new profile that I created. And I've set them all up the same exact way with the fastest possible settings. We are copying 100% of whatever trade I will do on my own account on Polymarket. We have a 10% buy slippage, a 10% sell slippage, and we are using market buys. And like I said, this is the same on PolyGun, Polycop, and Kreo. We are going to do 5 different trades with 1 buy transaction and 1 sell transaction per trade, and we are going to rank them here in this Excel sheet to see which one comes out on top. Now, these are the wallet addresses for the different platforms. So this is the Polycop address, PolyGun, and Kreo, and these are their names on Polymarket. So Kreo is called Age Gossip, PolyGun is Ragnar Test 3, and Polycop is just called the wallet address, basically 0x6. Because here on the Polymarket activity page at the bottom of any market, you can see any trade that comes through, who places it, and what price they were able to get in at. So for example, on this first one, we are going to bet on which England player makes it into the squad. We are going to bet on Jared Bowen. So for this example, let's put $5 on yes on Jared Bowen. Click on buy and we'll see which one pops up first. So as you can see right here, they were all super quick, but the 0x6 one, which is Polycop, did come out on top. That came in first, then Age Gossip, which is Kreo, and last place is Ragnar Test 3, which is PolyGun. And this is pretty important because if I were to make bigger trades, then the price might actually fluctuate since this is a pretty low liquidity market, and the slippage threshold for the second and third bot might be hit, and only the first one might actually come through. But now let's try to sell those shares that we just bought. Let's click sell and see what happens. So here we go. For the sell transaction, Aged Gossip did actually come first, then Ragnar Test 3, and then Polycop, but they all came in at the same exact time and at the same exact price, so it doesn't actually make much of a difference there. So these are the results for the first transaction. Polycop won the buy transaction, Kreo came second, PolyGun third. Then for the sell transaction, Kreo came first, then PolyGun, and then Polycop. Now for this next one, let's bet on which nation to reach the World Cup final. So I will say yes on Portugal. Let's try a bigger transaction this time. $10 on Portugal gets us $55 back. Let's scroll down to the activity section. Let's buy yes on Portugal and we'll see which ones come in first. So for this transaction, this is my original wallet bot. $10 at 17.6 cents. Second place, it seems like Kreo came because that got in at a better price. They basically all come through in the same block, so it all says the same second counter. But we can now see that Age Gossip got in at a lower price than Ragnar Test 3. So they came in at the same time, but my original got a price of 17.6 cents. Kreo came in at 19.6 cents and PolyGun came in at 20.6 cents. And then I assume Polycop reached the slippage threshold. If we have a look here in Polycop, you can see that it did indeed reach the slippage threshold, insufficient slippage, so it didn't actually go ahead with the transaction. So that's why having the fastest bot possible is so important, because you could obviously see on these lower liquidity markets that the fastest bot got a much better price than the second fastest, and then the third fastest didn't even get in at all because of the slippage. Now let's try to sell these shares. So here you can see that the original wallet sold its position at 17 cents, then second came actually PolyGun at the second best price right here, 16.6 cents, and Age Gossip, which is Kreo, in last place for this transaction, or second to last place since Polycop didn't get in at all. Now let's try a new trade. Will Kraken valuation hit above $17.5 billion, we are going to bet on yes on this market. Let's up the stakes again and do $15. Buy yes. Here we have the original purchase at 31 cents. And then it seems like both Kreo and Polycop come in a shared second place. They got in at the same price, but we can see that Polycop actually got one less share for the same price. So it says that it got in at the same price, but you can actually see that it came in like 10 seconds later and it got one less share for the same price, so that comes in last place. At the sell transaction, they all got out in the same transaction block at the same exact time, so I'm gonna give them a shared first place for that one. Now for this one, let's try the Canva valuation being above $45 billion. We are going to do $12 on this transaction. Click on buy. Let's see what happens. So this is the original transaction at 12 cents. Kreo also got in at the same 12 cents. So did Polycop, and PolyGun got the worst price for the same amount of money. It got in at 12.7 cents and only got 94 shares instead of the original 100. And I can actually now see that for the same amount, Polycop only got 97 shares. So Kreo actually come out on top for this one, then Polycop, and then PolyGun. For the sell transaction, the original wallet got out at 10 cents, so did Kreo, then Polycop got out at 9.5 cents, and then PolyGun at 9 cents. So again, Kreo comes out on top, then Polycop, and then PolyGun. Now for the last trade, let's do the California Lieutenant Governor election winner, and we are going to bet for Oliver Ma. Let's do $15 on this last transaction. Let's go down to activity. Let's click on buy yes. And here we can see the original transaction at 6.3 cents. Then comes Kreo at 7.4 cents. Then PolyGun at 11.1, which shouldn't actually have gone through because that is much more than the 10% slippage that I gave it. Polycop did not come through because of the slippage, so that actually worked. For some reason, it seemed like PolyGun did not listen to its slippage message and just entered this trade at like 50% higher, which is not what it should do. But Kreo came out on top, then I guess PolyGun, and then Polycop. But I'm going to give Polycop a shared second place here because at least the slippage worked, while it did not do on PolyGun. But Kreo did win again. So I just sold the position, but it seemed like none of the bots actually went ahead and sold it because of the slippage. So at least that worked. None of them came through. So I'll give them all a shared first place for this one. Obviously Polycop didn't even enter, and PolyGun entered at a horrible rate. So realistically, it should also go to Kreo. So this is the first speed test I've done in the last 3 months with 3 of the most popular copy trading bots on the market right now. And we can clearly see from this table that Kreo is the best and most consistent copy trading bot on the market right now. Came in first almost every single time. I guess this first transaction also was supposed to be a shared first because they all came in at the same price and the same time. So if you're looking for the best copy trading bot on the market right now, you should check out Kreo. Kreo at the moment is actually also my favorite overall Telegram trading bot because they have a lot of cool features that other bots do not have. For example, one of them is that you can actually pull up live charts within the Telegram app on your phone or on your computer and see live prices on any market you are looking at, which is awesome. They do also have a web application with live feeds with wallet trackers, smart wallets, unusual activity, trades, etc. So Kreo comes out on top in this challenge. Now, the link to all of these bots will be down below. So if you want to check out any of these bots, you can check them out down below and get less fees on every single trade when you sign up with that link. But the one I certainly recommend after this video and this test is naturally Kreo. Now, if you have any questions about these bots or how I do this challenge or any other videos you want to see next on this channel, you can let me know down below in the comment section. Make sure to smash a like and subscribe to the channel. With that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.